That brown rice is way healthier than white rice, and a lot of my friends keep asking me if I have some tips on how to cook brown rice in the best possible way. So I thought this is the best time to show you. Do follow me through the video and we'll find out how. So here I have some raw brown rice. The difference between brown rice and white rice is that in brown rice only the outermost layer or the hull is removed, which makes it high in fiber and it preserves all the nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. It also makes it a very low GI food, which means the blood sugar will go up very gradually on eating brown rice, and that makes it a very good meal for diabetics. So I'll show you how we are going to cook brown rice. For that we have already washed and soaked some brown rice in water, and the soaking just makes it easier to cook because it does take a slightly longer time than white rice. And I'm going to cook it in the water that it has been soaked so we don't lose out on the nutrients. So we'll be cooking this in the pressure cooker because that is the fastest way of cooking. I have tried it in the rice cooker but it does not cook as well. So we'll start the flame and I'm going to add some water in the bottom of the cooker. And the soaked brown rice with double the quantity of water. You can increase the water slightly more to 2.5 times, but don't go beyond that. And we're going to close the cooker lid. Now the weight is already on, so we'll wait for 2 whistles and then I'll be keeping it on sim for 10 minutes. We've had 2 whistles. Now I'm going to keep the flame on sim and we'll keep it for 10 to 12 minutes and then switch it off. So after keeping it on sim for 10 minutes, I switched off the flame and then we just waited for some time for the cooker to cool, and as you can see it's cool now. So we'll just check if the rice is cooked, and as you can see it's perfectly cooked and brown rice is ready. So the brown rice is cooked and ready. You can of course use it as a substitute to white rice, but it's also a great addition to salads. So for that you can make a bigger batch and store it in the fridge in an airtight container, and it will stay good for 2 to 3 days. And you can use as much as is required. Now if you liked my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up.